Hi everyone, John here at Nomatic. Today I'd like to walk through the Nomatic Travel Pack, the perfect travel companion for those 1 to 3 day trips. I've got 3 days worth of gear here on the table, so let's quickly pack it up. Alright, now that that's done, let's walk through the features of this bag and see where everything is packed. The travel pack is made with strong, waterproof materials and zippers. Our unique design allows you to hide away straps to switch between backpack and briefcase carry. The back panel slips over a roller bag handle to free up your hands while on the move. Or you can add Nomatic waist straps for additional support. The lay flat laptop and tablet compartment makes TSA checkpoints a breeze and is designed to fit a 15-inch laptop comfortably. On the top of the bag, there is a fleece-lined pocket for your phone, wallet, and other quick access items. On the back is a hidden pocket for cash and other valuables. The accessories compartment has multiple mesh elastic pockets for your cords, power banks, and other small items. Cord pass-through holes connect every compartment of the bag. On the other side, you have a lockable RFID safe pocket to keep scannable items safe. Down below is a dedicated notebook pocket, a place for pens, and multiple mesh and zipper pockets. The full perimeter expansion can increase capacity from 20 to 30 liters. Here you will find an additional zipper for clamshell access to make packing even easier. To compartmentalize your packing, there is a mesh dividing wall and shoe or clothing pocket. Each Nomatic travel pack comes with a compression packing cube that fits perfectly in the bag and lets you pack more in less space. The full perimeter zipper gives easy access from all sides. Each travel pack comes with a removable hard protective shell for glasses, and a retractable key leash is also included. Last but not least, our magnetic water bottle pocket expands when you need the space and snaps shut when not in use. So as you can see, this bag is perfect for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the Nomatic travel pack takes you.